Alright, gang. Barang ni adalah dia punya spoon punya hood air vent. Baru sampai. So, sesiapa yang nak order boleh cari Adrian, Roger. Adrian nak tunjukkan dia punya kotak bagi korang tengok. Yang ini engine punya valve cover Kevlar tu yang Adrian tunggu dah banyak bulan lah. Yang ini pula kotak spoon ni semua Adrian nak simpan. So, yang penting yang ini dulu. Kotak spoon Adrian tak nak rosakkan, simpan lah sebagai collection kan. Dia macam mana pun ada bau Jepun tau. Bau tataki puki haram. Untuk spoon punya Kevlar cover tu, I tell you all in English lah. Okay, easy lah. Okay, so it came together with the screw, 3 long screw, 1 short screw like this, and then 3 adapter. This is the Kevlar cover, very lightweight only. Okay, see this Kevlar cover. Okay, so I want to open very slowly. Oh my god, you all guys see lah. Let's smell and see. Carbon smell. See, at the back they got to put this spoon logo. Nice and detailed. Okay. And for this one this one is a hood air vent lah. Okay, let's open and see. Oh yeah, mamacita. Oh my god, fiber smell. So this one they didn't come with any screw inside here. Don't have. If you already find all these performance parts hard to find, sometimes you all can contact me or message me. Okay, actually they got give this screw a bit lah. 2 screw lah. Okay, 2 screw, 2 nut, 3 nut lah, like this. Just like this only lah. And the most important lah, yang penting sekali lah, the important one is this one. Fuyo, you all guys see, dry carbon. This is the back. Okay, before you assemble sebelum kurang pasang, dia memang ada bunyi klak. Okay, it's because there is a screw right here and also right here. Yang ini dia punya bau kanina guci kanasai. We recommend clear coating. Dia tulis, dia suruh kita cat sendiri. We recommend clear coating to protect this product from UV degradation. So nak spray ke tak nak?
A few moments later.
So guys and girls, welcome to my FL5 vlog. Today I will pasang the air vent, but unfortunately it's raining right now. Hi, shame man, but never mind. Hope you all can hear my audio. Hello, test mic, test 1 2 3. So first I gonna open the bonnet first. I show you all guys first. Okay, let's make a before after first about the hood. Okay. If you all want to find this for FL1, FL5, FE, can contact me. Okay, let's open the hood. Pop up the hood. Okay, so it's just right here only. 1 2 3 4. Very easy, simple assemble, install. Okay, it's number 10. Okay, number 10, the bolts. Hi, raining. 1 bolt. Alright. Okay. 1 bolt, 2 bolt. Let's take a rest first. In these videos, I'm using this Umin new close pot, which is they name it the Umin V6 lah. Okay, second bolt is out, and then the third bolt actually got 5 bolt 5 nut, 5 screw, bolt, nut, screw. Okay, it's quite tight a little bit. Okay, you just loosen this one, and then another one you're gonna loosen the 4th one, and then you're gonna loosen the 5th one. Okay, reminder, this one is a steel. Okay, this plate is a steel. This one for the takung air, and then the air will come out. Will not kena your engine. It will straight go down from the exhaust manifold. What we call the downpipe right here. It will straight go down right here. The water. This one, steel. Okay, so if you don't want to waste time, let's just change to this one and turn it more faster. Okay, another bolt out. So for right here, this bolt, this nut is the same size. 5 of the screw is same size. This bolt. I don't know what it called. Bolt, nut, screw. Okay, the last one need to be careful. Okay. Okay, out. So this is the plate where the water drains right here. The water will go inside from this hole. This hole. And for now, this one we need to take out. There are 1, 2. Why 2 screw only one? Another screw. You must take out this rubber. Because for the spoon one, it says got 3 screw. Okay. And right here, open. Oh. And right here, open. Okay. Middle one. And then 2. Oh, this one different. This one is just a nut. See? This nut different one. The original one. The third one. Okay. Right now, let's take out all the things right here. It's because somehow we're gonna take out we're gonna put back the bonnet. There's a clip. Okay. Now all the clip is out. So we're gonna lift down our bonnet slowly. Okay. Take this out. Okay. This actually is a little bit heavy. If you put in the spoon one, there, I make a comparison. The spoon one is way more very lightened. This one is a little bit heavy. So if you put this spoon one, it will make your horsepower increase by 0.01 horsepower. Comparison, you all can see, okay? It's totally different. This one big hole, this one like this. Actually is your hand itchy only. You change, okay? It's not necessary. But if you are spoon fans, so guys, actually what I like to do every time when I open my car, I like to wipe everything inside that, all the dirt. Now I'm gonna put this spoon cover. Oh my god, my spoon sticker. Hi, my spoon sticker right here. Hiya. Okay, I need to take out this spoon sticker. Okay, I already took off the sticker. At the bottom right here, there's a spoon spot, and right now I'm gonna polish a little bit inside the stain. Okay, what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna put a bit tape at this section right here. A very thin section of double side tape. So make sure you don't put in. Okay, what I mean is this double side tape, you don't put until the end right here, because later when you tighten it, the double side tape will look not nice when it compress. So you put inside a little bit. Okay. The problem is where I get this stupid double side tape. Okay, right now, slowly put it inside. And it fits. Okay, now it's time for the screw. Center black. Okay, and then the silver is at both sides. So be careful. Everything with carbon fiber, not too tight, or else you might hear the crack sound. Crack. Okay, not too tight. Not too tight. Nice and clean. FYI, for all of the Spoon products, it's not sponsored by Spoon. Because sometimes once you love the product a lot, you cannot run through it. Man. So for the hood cover, this hood cover, I think if not mistaken, it costs around 6k plus. And this one, now I'm gonna assemble this one. This one is around, the Kevlar cover is around 2k, nearly 3k. Okay, guys, right now, time for these things. This is the things that I wait for so long. Okay, there are two original bolts right here. Okay. This one very simple, easy to install. For the honest, the first day I purchased this car, I already very hate the original red color Honda cover. I don't like it at all. Even though they got coming out with the carbon series, but it's still the same design. I really don't like it. And for this one, they got give 3 long screw, 1 short. Put right here. They also got give you this extension. So the extension one is at right here. 2, okay, 3. Okay, it should be go by this way. Long screw. Another long screw right here, and short screw. This is the Allen key type. It's different. Okay, right size. Remember, carbon products not too tight. Ketat sudah, jangan ketat sangat. Macam Master Leong dia suka buat kan. Okay. Basically, everything is done. This is my engine setup. Group M intake, on-cell spray valve cover, this spoon valve cover, PRL inlet, PRL intercooler, Bartec downpipe, and Praxworks intake inside. I'm not using HKS, I'm using the Turbo Smart blow-off valve, JS Racing, and PWR radiator, radium water tank, spoon, casco bar. Now let's just close the bonnet and see the hood. Oh my god, looks different, man. I'm gonna peel this off. Nah, dia recommend kepada korang untuk cat laka dekat sini, tapi aku tak cat lah. They recommend you all spray a layer of laka clear at this hood vent, but nah, never mind lah. Oh guys, I'm gonna go to bus. Okay, so that's all for these videos about today project. The hood vent, the hood whatever lah, and also the engine valve cover plate. By the way, this is my new Tesla, okay, JNT. So let's catch up at another vlog. Arigatou, kamsahamnida.